Storm Amy has been named by the Met Office. 2 wind warning has been issued because of that. It is for Scotland, North West England, Northern Ireland and North Wales. The first one is for Northern Ireland, and this is in force between 4 p.m. on Friday, 3rd of October until 6 a.m. 4th of October, Saturday. It has a very low likelihood and a medium impact. The second one is for Scotland, North West England and North Wales. It is in force between 6 p.m. Friday, 3rd of October until 11:59 p.m. Saturday, 4th of October. It has a low likelihood and a medium impact.